Keeping your filters clean is one of the best things you can do for your spa. But how do I clean my filters? Do I use the spray or the soak? How often should I do it? That's what I'm here to explain. We recommend cleaning your filters on a monthly basis. Even if the filters don't look dirty, there can still be some oils and gunk left over on the filter paper that you can't see. There are two ways to clean your filters: the spray bottle and the soak. The spray bottle is best for routine maintenance. If your filters aren't completely disgusting and they just need their monthly cleaning, go with the spray bottle. The soak, on the other hand, is best for deep cleaning your filters, which I would do a couple times a year. I also recommend having a second set of filters. That way you can have a set in the tub and another set that's clean and ready to go. What I'm going to do now is take you out into the warehouse and show you exactly how to use these chemicals.
When using the spray bottle, it's important to coat the entire filter with filter cleaner. After thoroughly spraying the filter with cleaner, let it sit for 15 minutes. Once those 15 minutes are up, spray the filter out really well with a high pressure nozzle. For the soak, you should use around a pound of filter cleaner for every 5 gallons of water. Let the filter soak in the cleaner for 12 hours. Once those 12 hours are up, be sure to rinse it out really well.
And that's it. Keeping your filters clean is super important for the longevity of your spa. When it comes to replacing the filters, I would replace the paper filters once a year and the Tri-X filters once every 3 to 4 years. And if you can't clean your filters yourself, you can drop your filters off at one of our showrooms or our service centers and we'll clean them for you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out and ask for help. Enjoy your spa!